Now it's time for our cadets to use their creativity, their imagination, and Play-Doh to create objects that begin with the letter of the alphabet. The first letter is B. B, B, B. Can you guess what they are making? We have Brussels sprouts, a baseball bat, a backpack, and a flying bat. The next letter is the letter P. We have peanuts, pool balls, and sweet peas. The next letter is the letter C. C is for cake. C is for cake. C is for cookie. Look at the next few masterpieces that our cadets created. Can you guess the letter that they were given? The letter was T for teeth. T for tree. T for teacup. And T for tasty tacos. Can you guess what our cadets are going to make next? R for rabbit. S for sun. R for rhinoceros. F for flower.
Making things with Play-Doh that start with the alphabet.